I am going to explain the next parts of the NET 2006 paper 2nd English literature. So the first question is, which is the correct option sequence? First A. Dizzy Rossetti, George Eliot, Bronte sister, Thackeray. B. George Eliot, Dizzy Rossetti, Bronte sister, Thackeray. C. Thackeray, Bronte sister, George Eliot, Dizzy Rossetti. D. Bronte sisters, George Eliot, Thackeray, and Dizzy Rossetti. So the answer is Bronte sister. There are three sisters. Then George Eliot, then Thackeray, then Dizzy Rossetti. So the answer is D. Next question. Which of the Dickens novel open with the words, "It was the best time and it was the worst of times"? It is most famous novel which is written by Charles Dickens. A. A Tale of Two Cities. B. Oliver Twist. C. Patrick Peppers. D. Hard Times. So the answer is A. A Tale of Two Cities. Question number 28. The term fleshy schools of poetry is associated with. There are four options. First, Chartist. B. Pre-Raphaelite. C. Symbolist. D. Imagist. So the answer is Pre-Raphaelite. Question number 29. The line "The sea is calm tonight" occurs in. There are four options. A. Tennyson Maud. B. Arnold Thyrsis. C. Tennyson's The Lotus Eaters. D. Arnold's The Dover Beach. These lines occurs in Arnold's Dover Beach. Question number 30. The term Gothic, a category of fiction, also applies to A. Architecture. B. Painting. C. Music. D. Theatre. So it applies to architecture. A. Architecture. Question number 31. The gap-toothed character in prologue to the Canterbury Tale is. Options are A. The princess. B. Nun. C. The wife of Bath. The narrator. It is most famous, which is taken from The Wife of Bath. Question number 32. Which of the following is not revenge tragedy? Options are A. Duchess of Malfi. B. Volpone or the Fox. C. Hamlet, and the D. Gorboduc. The Volpone is not a revenge tragedy, and all the three are revenge tragedies. Question number 33. Miracle plays are based on the lives of A. Knights, Crusaders, C. Pilgrims, D. Saints. So the miracle plays are based on the lives of saints. Question number 34. The Red Cross Knight is Spenser's Fairy Queen represent. Options are A. Temperance, C. Chastity, C. Truth, and D. Falsehood. So the answer is C. Truth. Okay, move to the next question. The line "present fears are less than horrible imagining" appears in A. Macbeth, B. King Lear, C. Othello, D. Julius Caesar. So the answer is A. Macbeth. It appears in Macbeth, which is written by Shakespeare. Question number 36. The author of Ars Poetica is written by A. Plato, B. Horace, C. Virgil, D. Aristotle. So answer is B, which is written by Horace. Ars Poetica is written by Horace. Question number 37. Which of the following is not work by Dr. Johnson? Options are A. Preface to English Dictionary. B. Preface to Shakespeare. C. Lives of English Poets. D. Cowley. So the Cowley is not written by Dr. Johnson's. So the answer is D. Cowley. Question number 38. Which novel of Daniel Defoe was considered to be the best? E.M. Foster's. A. Cornel Jack. B. Robinson Crusoe. C. Captain Singleton. D. Moll Flanders. So the answer is D. Moll Flanders. Question number 39. Edmund Burke denounced the French Revolution in. Option A. Political philosophy. B. A philosophical equity into the origin of our ideas of the sublime and the beautiful. C. Reflections. D. Annual Register. So answer is C. Question number 40. A line "a man can be destroyed but not defeated" appears in A. For Whom the Bell Tolls. B. The Old Man and the Sea. C. The Snow of Kilimanjaro. D. The soul also rises. These notes are or these quotes are taken from the Ernest Hemingway novel Old Man and the Sea. Question number 41. Who among the following is called a New England poet? A. Robert Frost. B. Edwin Robinson. C. William Carlos William. D. Allen Ginsberg. So answer is A. Robert Frost. Question number 42. Which of the following is not play by Tennessee Williams? A. Night of Jaguna. B. A strict streetcar named Desire. C. Cat on the Hot Tin Roof. D. The Zoo Story. So answer is Zoo Story. Question number 43. Margaret Atwood survival is options are A. Critical assessment of a Canadian writing. B. A thematic guide to Canadian literature. C. A critique of Canadian polity. D. Exploration of Canadian history. So answer is a thematic guide to Canadian literature. Question number 44. The term Negritude was coined by options are A. Frantz Fanon and Homi Bhabha. B. Ngugi wa Thiong'o and Volkswagen. C. Alan Caesar and and Leopold Séguin. D. K. Alfred Memmi and D. Chinua Achebe. So answer is C. Annie Caesar and the Leopold Séguin. Question number 45. Bertolt Brecht's concept of theatre was inspired by options are A. Erwin Piscator. B. Antonin Artaud. C. Peter Brook. D. Eugenio Barba. So answer is A. Erwin Piscator. Question number 46. The relationship between the Othello and the Iago is an example of A. Inversion. B. Irony. C. Innuendo. D. Invective. So answer is A. The relation between Othello and Iago is the example of inversion. Question number 47. A metrical foot consisting of an unstressed syllabus followed by a stressed syllable. A. Dactyl. B. Trochy. C. Iambic and D. Anapest. So answer is iambic. Question number 48. The rhyme scheme of Shakespearean sonnet is, there are two types of sonnet, Shakespearean and Petrarch sonnet. So Shakespearean sonnet is, options are A. AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GGG. B. AB, BA, CD, DC, EF, EFE, GG. C. AB, CD, EF, GH, EF, EFE, HH. D. AB, CA, AB, CA, B, CAB, DD. 49. Answer is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GG. A. AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, GGG. Question number 49. Using the bench for the judiciary is example of A. Metaphor. B. Irony. C. Synecdoche. D. Metonymy. So answer is metonymy. A bench for judiciary is example of it metonymy. Question number 50. The 4 feet comprising a monosyllabic, trochy, dactyl and first paeon is often called A. Running rhythm. B. Sprung rhythm. C. Black verse. D. Rhyme verse. So answer is sprung rhythm. Okay, thank you.